Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your headphones EARFUN Free Pro 2. You have to start by put your headphones to the charging case and close the case. Right now we should have not connected here, so just open it and now check it. Is it connecting? Yeah. Now check it, maybe it fixed. But if it doesn't, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold both of the headphones for at least 10 seconds until this LED light starts flashing blue and white. So let's go. Now it entered to pairing mode, and then we should have it. Here we go. Now, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now we should see it at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!